Magical rainbow with clouds. Grab your colors and let's make a big, happy rainbow with two puffy cloud friends. Hi friends! Today we're drawing a magical rainbow with clouds. We'll sketch the fluffy clouds, add every rainbow stripe, then color it bright. Ready? Let's go! Let's trace the bumpy bottom of our right cloud. Start this fluffy curve near the lower corner. Keep outlining that same cloud. Follow the puff along the bottom. Smooth out another soft bump on the right cloud's edge. Add a gentle rounded part. Clouds love wiggly lines. Keep going. Almost closed this fluffy section. Connect this last little curve so the right cloud's outline meets nicely. Now for the left cloud. Begin a cozy curved edge down here. Continue the left cloud's fluffy bottom with a rounded arc. Draw another soft bump, nice and puffy. Follow the cloud outline. Stay light and wavy. Add a tiny rounded dip on the left side. Finish closing the left cloud's lower fluff. Time for the rainbow! Start a long guideline along the upper right side of the arch. Curve along the big outer band. Imagine a huge smile in the sky. Sweep upward with a smooth curve for the top of the rainbow. Close this segment with a neat line on the upper left, great arch. Sketch the next rainbow stripe's edge, parallel to the first, a little inside. Draw a straight helper along the right side of this colorful band. Add the top straight section. Keeps our stripes even. Curve back down on the left. This stripe is really taking shape. Now a bold outer arc on the right, sunshine side of our rainbow. Bend the stripe across the top middle. Let the line get a little wavy on the left. Rainbows shimmer. Outline a wavy edge for the next inner stripe on the right, super bright. Add a small curve near the center of the arch. Swing a smooth arc on the left side of this band. Keep tracing the next colorful ribbon, wiggly edge on the right. Lay down a short, straight bit in the middle. Helps the stripe stay tidy. Curve along the left, almost like folding a ribbon in the sky. Draw a small arc on the right, getting closer to the heart of the rainbow. Add a tiny curve lower in the middle, between two pretty colors. Finish this stripe with a soft arc on the left. Outline a bubbly wavy line down toward the right cloud, where rainbow meets fluff. Connect with a small curve along the bottom, almost hugging the cloud. Bridge the last bit in the lower center. Rainbow and clouds become friends. On the left cloud side, sketch a gentle curve where the rainbow dips down. Add a tiny rounded detail, extra puffy. Tiny wiggle. Clouds aren't perfect circles, and that's okay. Another small curve. Keep it soft and friendly. Complete this cloud touch zone on the left. Looking great. Mirror that on the right. Start the curve where rainbow meets the cloud. tiny curve. Little bumps make big fluff. Wiggly sparkle line. This cloud gets personality. One more tiny ridge on the right puff. Close it off. Both clouds now catch the rainbow ends. Almost done outlining. Add a tiny straight dash near the right cloud tip. One last little line. Our pencil tour is sealed. Drop a tiny warm brown dot here, a little shadow or friendly sparkle. Fill the right cloud with a soft light blue glow. So airy. Give the left cloud the same gentle light blue fill, balanced and fluffy. Paint this stripe, violet purple, deep and magical, inner part of the bow. Add sky blue, clear as a sunny day. Light blue next, cool and calm like a swimming pool. Lime green, zippy and fresh, nature's high five. Sunny gold, warm yellow gleam. Coral orange, juicy and bright, almost like a sunset slice. Red-orange outer band, bold and fiery, classic rainbow punch. Shade the left cloud with icy blue. Wow, you drew a magical rainbow with clouds. Those colors pop and the clouds look super soft. Great job, artist. See you next time. Quickly. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Sea Crow Art for more amazing step-by-step sketch guides.